I'm going to lie about it. If there's no food, I'm not going. I came back to Piani di Betulle for one reason and one reason only. The chairlift, the snow, to replicate that exact moment I had had 1 year ago. And oh no, within 20 minutes, it was over. Now, this place sits above Magno in the mountains above Lake Como. You get up here by, well, not quite cable car, more accurately, a chairlift that feels like stepping into a different pace of life. I'd been here before. Snow everywhere, silence, bombardino, that feeling you don't really get in crowded resorts. So this time, I wasn't exploring, I was trying to recreate a memory. We walk, well, some of us trudge and struggle through the fresh snow, heading straight to the lift, thinking about the bombardino. And suddenly, it's closed. Excuse me, it's closed? At first I think, okay, maybe it's the fog. Let's be honest, visibility wasn't great. The clouds are sitting really low. So you wait, and then you ask. The guy at the ticket kiosk looks at us and says, "Oh, it's broken." And it's been broken for a week. And here's the part that makes me stop and confuses me. He says no one is fixing it because all the resources are focused on the 2026 Milano Cortina Winter Olympics. Well, thank you very much. Now suddenly the clouds weren't the problem, and I just had to accept it. And guess what he told me? Above the cloud cover, it was perfect. They were going up there with snowmobiles. It was clear, it was bright, it was exactly what we came for. They had bombardino. It was perfection. It was just not accessible. So what do? Turn around, get annoyed, waste the day, kick the snow? Or go looking for something else? The good news is we had a lunch reservation. We always have a lunch reservation because I don't go hiking unless food is involved. So instead of chasing the chairlift, we walked through the forest, beautiful snow underfoot. It was quiet. And that's when the magic happened. That's when this place started to shift because I was no longer chasing a memory. I was no longer chasing a plan. And in that moment, I started noticing where I actually was. There's a small alpine village up here, a few scattered houses, seasonal life, nothing designed for mass tourism. This is not San Moritz. This is Alpe Betulle. It isn't a resort. It's a little pocket in the mountain that just exists, and it's magical. And then we go to lunch. I've eaten here before. The pizzocchery. It was good, not life-changing. But this time, OMG, there was one dish. I don't even know how to describe it. It's like someone took pasta, wrapped it in marshmallow, and then added air, a cloud, warm light, Yeah, and it vanished in seconds. Because this wasn't your normal mountain food. This was precision. Check out the menu. This was Michelin level without the performance and without the price tag. And it was also a good, healthy portion. Did I mention that I love food? It ended up pretty amazing because if the lift had been working, we would have gone straight up. We would have missed the walk. We would have missed the village. And to be quite honest, we would have probably rushed through lunch. Now, some practical information. If you're coming here, start from Magno, take the cable car up to Piani di Betulle, or you could drive all the way up. This is perfect for snow walks, for hiking, just slowing down. And I would recommend that if you are doing this in the winter. So yeah, I agree. The plan failed. The lift was broken. The view we came for and the Bombardino, I can't get over missing the Bombardino. Well, it never happened. But somehow, the day still worked. It worked better than expected. Because sometimes in life, the thing you thought that ruined it is the reason you actually remember it. So, Piani di Betulle, thank you. Thank you for your broken chairlift, and thank you for my Michelin level meal.